Nanotech Precision specializes in high-volume production of small and micro-sized components. We utilize femtosecond laser technology, Swiss turning, and fine wire EDM. Hi, my name is Paul Luxem, and I'm the Business Development Account Manager for Nanotech Precision. We value our partnership with GF, first and foremost, because of the people. We understand that business is done person to person. Ultimately, it's a combination of world-class machines and world-class people. Many of the parts we produce require multiple work centers, and the femtosecond laser technology allows us to create and manufacture those micro features and components.
My name is Joshua Munoz. I'm a mechanical engineer, currently working as a research and development process engineer for Nanotech Precision. I've been with the company for about 5 years now and have gained a healthy amount of laser experience throughout that. So we run a wide variety of features across a diversity of materials on the ML-5s. I would say mainly focusing on micro hole drilling and precision cutting. The level of accuracy and repeatability of the system integration as a whole is difficult to match. It brings great gratification towards my daily work here, and as well as being able to provide the customer with the highest quality part using state-of-the-art equipment.
Customers are continuing to push boundaries in terms of size of the components and features. The femtosecond laser technology provides us with solutions usually outside of the traditional machining methods.